Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about nouns. So a noun has division. So you either have a masculine noun, مذكر, that's masculine, or مؤنث, feminine. So there are two types of nouns. These are types, نوعان, two types. Masculine, مذكر, or feminine, مؤنث. So an example of the masculine singular noun is a proper noun like Ali here or Hussein. So these are proper nouns referring to people, masculine. So that's a type of masculine noun, a proper noun. Here you have a name of an animal, Jamal, which is camel. Baghl, which is a mule. Hisan, which is a horse. These are all masculine, male. So this is male camel, male mule, male horse, and male donkey, himar. Wahir, and her, cat. So this is a cat, a male cat, her. For the feminine, for a singular, you have a proper noun here, Aisha, Fatima, Aziza. These are proper nouns. And here you have the animals. Naqa here, that's a female of a camel. So notice here, this is an example that the male of the animal species has a name, like in camel here, Jamal. Or the female, the she camel, has a name, Naqa. So that's the name for the she camel. And it's a feminine. So here it has a tied, this is called a tied ta. Tied ta. And some other nouns it might not have it. It's the feminine will just have its own name or noun. So here you have Jamal, Naqa. This is a she camel. In other cases like here, you just add the tied ta here. It's called the moving, feminizing ta. This is a move. It's called moving because it takes the movements, the u or the a or the e. So notice here, baghl is masculine for the male. For the female, they just added this ta here, baghla. And notice when I pronounce it by itself, I stop at it. I do not pronounce this ta. So if I continue, if I say Baghlatun wa himaratun wa hirra. Notice if I continue, I open this ta. That's why it's called tied ta. Because when you continue, you open it. It becomes a regular ta, like this. If the ta like this, you have to pronounce it. If it's like this, you will know. That's your mark. That if I stop, I'll just pronounce it as an a. So this is himara. You know, the male for a donkey is himar. The female is himara. They just added the tied ta here. Now look how it's different there, because this letter does not connect to what comes after it. The R or the or the da, these letters in the alphabet, they do not connect to what comes after them. So in that case, that's how the tied ta is written. Same thing here. So this is about this one mark to change the masculine into a feminine, or you could have regular nouns or a separate noun for the female or the male. Now another division for nouns is singular, dual, or plural. So mufrad is singular, muthanna is dual, plural is jama'. We will cover this in the next video, inshallah. Now to note about the masculine and feminine, the masculine can refer to something that is not male. So inanimate objects can be masculine or feminine. So that's how it's used in the language. So the moon is masculine in Arabic. The sun is feminine. So it will be referred, the pronouns used with it will be masculine for the moon and will be feminine for the sun. So that's an example of how masculine and feminine are used in the Arabic language. So here we have the feminine and masculine, an example. Here it says أنا, I. This is I. For the first person singular, I. Here it says ولد, which means boy. And here it says bint, which means a girl. So with the first person, plural or singular, there is no masculine or feminine. The first person, you just say أنا. That's I, for I. Now, this first group here has the different pronouns with the masculine. The second group has the different pronouns with the feminine, مؤنث. So you have singular here, the dual here, and the plural here. Notice how you have the ha starting with, for the third person, you always start with this ha there. Ha, 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 ha. And these are separate pronouns. So take a look at this list and try to match these pronouns with the nouns given in the two lists we just looked at for a feminine or a masculine. Next time, inshallah, we will continue with these and check them with the singular, dual, and plural states of a noun. Thank you for listening. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.